Hello everyone, I am back and I am about to show you my Hobby Lobby haul. Now, let me say before I even get started, this was not one day of shopping. This probably has been, I would say probably close to 3 months altogether that I've been picking stuff up. And I was in no hurry to decorate because of Valentine's and my home tour collaboration, and then April Easter home tour collaboration, and even a little bit before that. So, but what I am showing you is everything accumulated. So let me get started with this wire, I don't even know what you'd call it. Actually, I have it upside down, and I have it upside down deliberately because I'm not going to be hanging it. I'm going to be setting it up on top of a shelf, and I'm going to make my own chicken nest, chicken coop, whatever you call it. They had one I saw, and I can't remember her name, but I love her stuff. The French Farmhouse, I think. I'll get it and I'll put her name down below. But anyway, I saw that. I went to my Hobby Lobby and they did not have it. So I got something to kind of simulate what I wanted to do. So what I did is I got this wire, and it has 3 compartments. And then I got the natural Excelsior. Let me show you. And I'm going to put that into some of it. And then I'm going to, in that, house a couple chickens. So I got that. Then I got this sign that says Our Nest, which I think I'm going to put on top of this and adhere it somehow so it stays. That's why I'm keeping these little hooks on it, because I'm going to try to, in some way, rig up a way to line onto the top. Okay. So then I got some more greenery. I can't remember what you call it. But these I fell in love with because to me these look so spring and summer and so farmhouse. And so I got 5 of those. And these will go in my kitchen and dining room and den. And then I got a couple more. And I don't think this is lamb's ear. I think this is sage. And then over here I got this fern because I'll show you what I'll be doing with that once I get the house decorated for summer. Well, when I say summer, really this would be my normal decor, what I'm showing you right now. This would stay up when it wasn't during a holiday. Then over here I bought this rooster, and it looks like wood, but it's ceramic. And then it has the brown metal. And then here is another chicken. I think so cute. And it looks like it's real rusted. So I got that. And then look at this one. I love this face. Look at her. And all of this, everything I'm showing you was 40% off or 50% off at the time. It wasn't regular price. So here is this one. So I'll be using that. And then these I thought were precious. These little chicks. Is that adorable? How retro. How vintage. I absolutely love them. So they will go either in my kitchen or in this. I'm not sure, but like I said, I'll bring you over and show you everything that I do with this. And then I got one of these milk jugs. And all of this that I'm showing you right here is from Hobby Lobby. And this is a big milk bottle. And I think I showed you already in another haul. My haul from Hobby Lobby. So I will be decorating shortly, and then you guys will see what I do with this. Then I'll show you. Miss Isabel. So she'll go in my kitchen. I'd like to find another one that stands up that looks like her. I didn't see any though. I found this milk glass lamp. As soon as I saw this, I had a favorite aunt, okay? And she was the one that we would go to her house. She's the one that made the Italian dressing and never told us the recipe. Oh, I still wish she would have given that recipe. Hi, Bella. So anyway, when I saw, she used to have what they called early American. That's what they called the furniture. And she had milk glass, a lot of it. And she had these exact lamps. And she also had a freestanding one. And if I'm not mistaken, she had another one also that sat on the, I think it was either in her living room or her bedroom. I can't remember. But anyway, she had one of these, and it looked identical to this, and I had to get it, and I thought it would be perfect for Farmhouse and in my kitchen. So that's for my kitchen. Okay, look at, every time, she always wants to be in the camera. Pollyanna, Polly, can you say hi? Okay. All of these were 50% off, and so what I'm showing you, 20. And then over here is another sign that says thankful. And then I wanted a long sign, so I found this gather. And it's so long I have to stand back. And this will go in my family room. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I can't wait to share some more DIYs that I'm going to be doing. Okay guys, that's it. I hope that you'll have a wonderful rest of the day. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.